on to talk about in, on, and at for place. But the idea when you're using in, on, and at is very simple. These prepositions, they're used in this way. We move on from something more general to something very specific. That's the whole use. So when you say in, you're talking more in the general sense. Okay? On, you get a little bit more details, more specific about it, and at is very specific about what you're saying. Okay? So here's an example. I got 3 examples here on the board. For time and place. These are for time and place. But the idea is pretty much the same, either for time or place. So in this example, it says here, I have an interview in November. In November would be something what? Very general, right? In November, on the 21st. Okay, so now I gave you a date. It's starting to get more specific, right? At 9 a.m. So at 9 a.m. is very specific because we're talking about we got the date. At we got the time. In we had the month. Okay, you see that? Here we got one for place, an example for place. This is for place. We study in Guatemala. So Guatemala, the country would be very in general, right? Guatemala on Calzada Mateo Flores, right? Yeah, so here I'm giving you the street or the address, right? The street address. And at the Excellence Academy. So when I say at the academy, I'm being what?
Specific.
Very specific. So it works